don't want to?
Tell Calvin. Calvin, look.
No one look at Calvin.
Yeah, but you're in the exit.
Yeah, we want you to look at Calvin. Turn the camera around real quick. No one wants to talk to him. No one wants to talk to Calvin. You don't want to talk to Calvin. A little background on this job. It's a new construction project, full-blown renovation. Has to get a new water and 2 new water services. However, they're not ready for that right now. And while they're not ready for it and work is being performed, their existing water main happened to break. So DEP came and gave them a 3-day notice. So we're pulling up now. We're working on East 9th Street between 5th and University Place. So again, new construction. You'll see as we go ahead here, you'll see the scaffold that's in front of the building. Looks like we have the sidewalk closed. Although, welcome to Manhattan, people are still walking on the sidewalk. Let's see if we can park in front here.
How you doing today?
Doing well, man. What's up?
Great.
So you guys are already down.
Yeah. Today we're doing a sprinkler line. So actually right now we just exposed a tap, disconnected, and we partial way with the excavation.
What size sprinkler? 2-inch or is this a
It's
swing?
a 3-inch service, but that's a 2-inch swing.
A lead swing they had on it?
Yes.
Really old service. Guys.
Oh, very old.
Okay. So the digging doesn't look like it was too bad right
I
here.
mean, today the soil is not that bad. Normally in Manhattan, and I'm saying the rock, a lot of rocks. So today we lucky.
Okay. We had our mark out. What are we looking like at the block?
All right. So right now I'm looking at I got a 12-inch gas pretty much right here.
Yeah.
Then also you can see like over here I got electric. So we're gonna probably have to do some more chopping here, so we see where we're working.
Okay.
With the utilities and stuff.
Gotcha.
So don't just want to push, you know. You have to see what you really laying the pipe into.
We're already chopped out. There's nothing on the sidewalk, so that should be pretty clear digging, right?
The sidewalk is ready to go. I'm just waiting for a plate so I can cover this, so I can set my backhoe, and we can start to dig.
Real quick, how come you don't want to be on camera?
Just tell the people at home why you won't be on camera. They want to know.
Don't you want your kids to see this?
You look really good. Skin looks clear.
You got a haircut. You got your cool shades on.
Fade looks good.
You are the coolest looking backhoe operator all of Manhattan. People need to know who you are.
This could be your moment.
No, I don't want to talk.
You don't want to?
Tell Calvin. Calvin, look.
No one look at
Yeah, but
Calvin.
you're in the exit.
Yeah, we want you to look at Calvin. Turn the camera around real quick. No one wants to talk to him. No one wants to talk to Calvin. You don't want to talk to Calvin. All right, so we're gonna get out of here. Saw what these guys are working on. They're all set up. Safety's good. In position to finish by tomorrow morning. so we can get out of here and they can resume their normal construction work. Thanks for watching.